box. We're going to use the visual of an actual box on the floor because that's what we're doing. Whatever foot we're dominating on is the one we're going to cross over. So in this case, my weight is on my left foot. I'm going to do a right jazz box. So since my weight is on the left foot, I'm going to cross my right foot over to the top of the other corner. Start my left foot back to the bottom left, and then right foot over to the right side. Then finish it up with my left foot back to the top. So when you cross over, back, side, forward. Same thing, if we're doing a left jazz box, I would now be in the top left corner of the box. My left foot's going to cross over to the top right corner. Step back, step left, and forward. I'm going to do this a little bit closer. My box is so big here. When it's all said and done, we have cross, back, side, forward, cross, back, side, forward. Likewise for a turning jazz box, we're going to turn on that third count. So in this case, with my weight on the left top right corner, we're going to cross over, step back on this third count. I'm going to turn here and then step forward again. Okay, so instead of turning and going up to that corner, I'm going to go to this side.